Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the error fetching Slack bot token. This issue usually happens when the Slack app is not properly installed, required OAuth permissions are missing, or the integration is still using an outdated bot token. First, open your Slack app settings. Just go ahead and go to api.slack.com and then select the Slack app that you are working with. And in my case, I'm working with this app, so I'll just go ahead and click on it, and here you will see different options. Just go ahead and open OAuth and Permissions. This is where Slack manages your bot permissions and generates the bot user OAuth token. Now scroll down and you will see the bot token scope section. Here, make sure essential scopes like write and read scope are enabled. These permissions are commonly required for Slackbot to send messages, read channels, and join public channels properly. After confirming the scope, just scroll up and click on Reinstall to your workspace. This is one of the most important steps because Slack only refreshes permissions and generates an updated token after reinstalling the app. After the reinstallation is complete, Slack will generate a latest bot user token, starting with xoxb. Now just go ahead and click on copy, just like so. And once that you have done that, go back to your code automation or integration setup and replace any old token with this updated one. Using an outdated token is one of the most common causes of error fetching Slack bot token issue. Next, make sure the app is installed in the correct workspace. If the token belongs to a different workspace, the connection may fail even if the token itself looks valid. Finally, test the connection again using the updated token, and in most cases, once the scopes are corrected, the app is reinstalled and the new token is applied, the issue gets resolved completely. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the error fetching Slack bot token by updating OAuth permissions, reinstalling the Slack app, generating a fresh xoxb token, and replacing the old token and confirming the correct Slack workspace setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.